Okay, y'all, so this is the box that it came in. This isn't really an unboxing video because I've been wearing this wig for like a month or whatever now. But I'm gonna just show y'all what it came with. It came with a pack of 2 wig caps and 2 different headbands. Then the wig, it came in like a what's that called? Fish. What's that called? Not a fish net. A hairnet. A hairnet. A hairnet. But it looks kind of. I mean, it looks worn because I've worn it. But I'm just gonna show y'all how I put it on. I have plaits in my hair that I pinned back because the genes skipped me where black girls learn how to cornrow. So I can only plait. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick how I put it on. It only takes like 2 minutes for this headband wig because it's Velcro. I'm gonna show you. So this is the Velcro that it snaps at the back of your head, like so. So yeah, I usually put it on upside down and then flip it. Just so I can make sure all my hair is in the back. And then the sides. It also has combs on it. I feel like I'm yelling. Oh my God, I'm sorry. It also has combs on it if you wanted a more like, I don't know, secure hold. But the Velcro makes it so you don't really need the combs or whatever. Oh my God. Blooper. But no, just tuck that in just like that, and then that side is in, this side is in, and I'm going to Velcro it in the back. Just like that. Pull it back a little. But it's, yeah, I like it. It's really like, this hair is really nice actually. I really like the hair. And you can, it's human hair. You can curl it. It's this is the Brazilian body waves. This is the 20-inch one. I think on the website it's called Melissa, and I usually name all of my wigs, even though the wigs usually come with their own name. I usually, when I put it on and see how I feel, that's when I give my wig its own name and personality. But this one, I like Melissa. I'm gonna keep Melissa, her assigned birth name. So yeah, you can curl it, wet it. I haven't wet it yet, but based on the fact that it's human hair, I know you can. And it wouldn't get messed up or whatever. And if I had a kinkier texture, you would be able to pull it up in the bun. I mean, I could pull this up in the bun, but I would like if it was kinkier so it could look more like my natural hair in the bun. But I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with the headband on that it came with. And then since the black headband doesn't come off. So whatever headband you use, you just basically had to pull it over and go about your business. And if you don't want your edges out, you don't have to have your edges out. You just pull the headband down or whatever. But if you do want your edges out and you want to swoop them, swoop them, you can do that also. But it's like 2 o'clock in the morning while I'm recording this, and I'm not going out, so my edges are not done, unfortunately. But yeah, this is it. I really just use it as like a throw on wig if I have to go like to the store to work, anything like that. Or if I have a Zoom meeting that I have to show my face for, I just slide this on. It took, y'all watch me do it, it took like 2 minutes max to put it on. And it does have, it, like I said, it does come with the wig caps, but I don't really wear wig caps like that. With any of my wigs, I just rock out. But yeah, and I like that it's, since it's no part to it, so I can have like some to the side, or I could do it all pushed back, like however I'm feeling, and I like that. Or if I want it on this side, I can do that too, if that's how I'm feeling. Yeah. I want to try to straighten it, but I'm scared because I like bigger hair. But yeah, if y'all like this, comment, let me know how you feeling. Share this video, please, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then tell your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. But I'm gonna put the link to this wig in the description of this video. And this is not a paid promotion. I just really like this wig because it's very easy. And I was so excited, so excited to get it, because I really can't do my own hair. Like, as y'all can see, I can't cornrow. So for me to just be able to throw this over top of my color purple plaits, it's good for me. Yes. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank y'all for watching this video.